Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Earlier this week at the WWDC, Apple previewed the OS versions coming to its devices later this year. While a big chunk of the keynote was about Apple Intelligence, we still got plenty of features across iOS 18, macOS Sequoia, iPadOS 18, and watchOS 11. Right after the keynote, Apple released the first developer betas. Despite Apple Intelligence and some other features not making it into these first builds, there's still a lot to check out. To save you from the hassle of unstable software, I installed iPadOS 18 Beta 1 on my iPad and documented my experience. Here's what I've found in iPadOS 18 Beta 1 and my thoughts so far. When Apple revealed the iPad Pro M4 and iPad Air M2, I was sure iPadOS 18 would have some mind-blowing exclusives. I thought these powerful tablets would support Xcode since they already support Pro apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro, but I was wrong. iPadOS 18 offers no significant exclusive features for the new iPads, making it feel like a stretched-out iPhone. Most iPadOS 18 features are also in iOS 18. You get a fully customizable home screen, an overhauled control center, and a redesigned Photos app. The Messages app now supports emoji reactions and scheduled sending, and there's a new Passwords app. All these features are pretty much the same on both iOS and iPadOS. The good news? The iPad finally has a native calculator app. It supports basic, scientific, and even math notes, which solve equations as you write them. That's crazy, guys! And I think this feature is super handy for students, and it works with both Apple Pencil and your fingers. Another cool addition is Freeform Scenes, perfect for the iPad's larger screen. Scenes act like bookmarks for your whiteboard projects, making navigation easier. Freeform also got new guides to help align and snap elements into place. Lastly, iPadOS 18 Beta 1 brings a new tab bar for some apps, similar to tvOS. Apps like Apple News, Fitness, and the App Store have already adopted it, offering quick shortcuts and a cleaner interface. After using iPadOS 18 Beta 1 for 2 days, it feels like Apple is holding back the iPad's potential. While it's an okay update, especially for students with features like math notes and auto transcriptions, there's nothing groundbreaking. Should you download and install iPadOS 18 Beta 1? If you're up for some experimentation and can handle potential bugs, go ahead and try it out, guys. But remember, it's still a beta and may have issues. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried out the beta yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.